So there is an alternative method you can use to transfer money from Webmoney to Bitcoins. It's very simple. Just go to Play Store and search for BitValue. It's a peer-to-peer exchange platform, just like local Bitcoins and Paxful or Binance. But the reason I'm making this video is because local Bitcoins is no more working. So if you have your funds in local Bitcoins, make sure you withdraw it right now before you lose your assets. Okay, so let's wait for the BitValue peer-to-peer crypto exchange platform to finish installing. Okay, so we are done installing. Let's open it right here. And as you know, for every other crypto peer-to-peer transfer, you need to register an account. So click on this register right now, input your username, your email, and choose a very strong password. Once you're done with that, input a PIN, 4-digit PIN you can use to unlock your device, and also enable fingerprints to make it easier, because anytime you want to make funds, so right now I'll just click on this get started right here, and I'll just select buy right here, and then I want to buy Bitcoins. I won't be buying it, but I'll just show you the method. And then right here we have a lot of payment options. Just select Webmoney right here, and then you can see Webmoney right here. So you can see there is only let's wait for the offers to load, and you can see there is only one offer right here. Okay, and because it doesn't have a lot of users, and you can see, so we have the minimum you can buy. The minimum you can buy is $100. So just select $100, and then you can click on start trade, and it says I've verified my email address. So I'll just hop on to my Gmail, just select the email I received from them. It will be sent to the email you used during the sign up, and then I see the verify button right here. I'll just select it and just tap on it, and then I'll open it with BitValue. You can decide to open it with Google Chrome, it's okay, or open it with any other browser, but since I have the app installed, there's no need for me. So I'll just verify my fingerprints, and you can see right now it says my email has been verified. So now that I verified, let's now go ahead and trade. So it just works like it works like the way Paxful works. So you need to chat with the buyer, you need to chat with the seller of the Bitcoins. He will give you his Webmoney address, and you send the money to him, and he will release the Bitcoins to your account, and you can down trade these Bitcoins. And make sure if you don't receive these Bitcoins, don't mark it as paid. You see, so that's how we do it. I won't trade right here, but I just want to show you how it works. You can do that by chatting right here. So he says say hi. So when you say hi, he'll drop the amount, and then you send it.